Oh.
We got a big one, y'all.
That's right.
Gonna get a motherfucking big one here, dude.
On that West Troll, he likes the West Troll. It's a boot!
Crank it, homie, crank it.
Big CP is gonna fall in a bigger one. That's right. He's good for biggies. UT brings in the little ones. He gets the eaters. Carl gets the smokers. Because he's a smoker. Midnight toaster.
Midnight toaster.
Here we are at the bottom of the 7th inning.
Yep. What's up?
That's your pie hole, eh? Bring her in.
Some serious fucking forearm workout going on here, boys and girls. Holy crap.
Carl had a good workout with his left arm. He's a right-hander. He doesn't want to cheat on his left arm. Oh, there it is.
Oh man.
Got a fin on the surface. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
Oh.
Yeah, come on over here. In that corner, let Carl move over here now. Carl, go back to the boat right here.
You ready for him?
Move out a little bit higher. Right, a little bit higher.
Dip up. You got an angle. You're okay. Come on. Bring him. Dip up and walk back.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody else has the next fish.
That's a good one.
Took me for a ride.
Hold on.
Woo!
Hold on.
Yeah.
Where's the steelhead?